So guys, you can see we have three LEDs. See, LD1, LD2 and LD3. See, LD1 turns on, then LD2, then LD3, and then it keeps on repeating forever. See, things are going. Now let me show you the code. So there we have our code. Let me zoom in. Now take a look here on the GUI. We initialize the three LED pins. One is here, PB0, then here PB3, LD3, and then the one here, PE1. Then in the main file, we wrote the code. As you can see, there we have the first command, that is we turned on the first LED at PB0 using the right pin command, and then we kept it on for half a second. Then we turned it off, then turned on the second, then turned on the third LED similarly, and then we did the reverse. Starting from the third LED, we started to turn them off. So that is how we wrote this code. So this gives us this result over here, that we are getting an three LEDs sequence. So you can make any sequence out of it. Welcome to learning microcontrollers. In this video, we will be using Nucleo STM32H753ZI board to blink all three onboard LEDs, and then we will make some fancy sequence with these for the demonstration purpose. So let's get started. So guys, this over here is our STM32H753ZI Nucleo board. And there you can see these are the three LEDs I'm talking about. Let me show them on the hardware. This is the hardware, this is the board I have here. Now on the hardware, as you can see, these over here are the three LEDs. These LD1, LD2 and LD3, as you can see. So we will be blinking these. So let's get started. Let's open our STM32 Cube IDE so we can do the blinking. Okay, let me open the STM32 Cube IDE. Here we go. Also let me open the magnifier so we can zoom in. Here we go. Just launch the STM32. Wait. Let us start up. Remember guys, whenever you are using this Cube IDE, you have to make sure that you are logged in. I have a lecture on this in the introductory section, that how you can log in, download, install and log into it. So please go through that if you have not. Click on File, New, STM32 project. This window will pop up. Wait for the new project to be initialized. Here you go. Either you can select your board using two methods. One is by using a microcontroller. You just write the name of the microcontroller that you have, or the second is the board. Since we have a board, we will use the name of the board. Both will do fine. I write here Nucleo H753ZI. Go there. There you go. This is the board. Okay, that is exactly the same. That's perfect. Okay, so this is our board that we have here. So to verify it, you may check the specs. Do they match yours? If do, okay, this is fine. It is a 144 pin development board. That's fine. So click on it and click on next. Write the name of the project. 3 LEDs tutorial. That is the name I wrote, and click on finish. Wait for the project to be created and GUI to be generated. This may take like 20 to 30 seconds. You have to wait. Okay, it is asking for the LEDs, like do you want these to be initialized by default? I click on OK. We will have them on the GUI. Wait, it is generating the GUI. Here you go. Still wait. Okay, there we go. The GUI has been generated. Now if you zoom in on the GUI, you will notice that we need three LEDs and it has already labeled them. This is LD1, PB0. I click on it, right click and click on pin unlocking, like this, pin unlocking. Then you click on it and set this pin to be, here you go, set this pin to be GPIO output, this one. So we can like program it as an output pin because LED is always connected to output. Now search the other one. There we go. This is LD3 at PB14. Again do the same, right click, click on pin unlocking, then set it as pin output, GPIO output pin LD3. Now you go for the LD2, that is over here. This one is the LD2 yellow LED, PE1. Okay, GPIO output, that is PE1, the LD2 pin. Okay, we have PE1, PB0 and PB14 for the 3 LEDs. Now guys, once you are done with this, click on project, click on generate code. Click on yes, it will generate the code. Now this is the beauty of this cube IDE. You don't have to do a lot of coding. Most of the code is automatically generated. Like you don't have to define the pins. Now go down. In the void main, that is where your one-time loop starts. Hall library is already initialized. Config clock also initialized. GPIO pins initialized. These 3 pins are initialized as LED pins. Okay. Now here we will write our code. Now to write the code, we will take the help from the AI because we have AI on hand, so we should make use of it instead of writing the commands ourselves. So go to your chat GPT. There you go. On the chat GPT, click on open AI. Okay. Now the important thing is you have to learn how to write the prompt. Now see how I write the prompt. I tell him I have Nucleo STM32H753ZI board. I am programming this using STM32 cube IDE. I have 3 LEDs connected to pin PB0, that is PB0 is LED1 with pin PE1 is LED2 and with pin PB14 is LED3. Now generate me a code in which, now whatever the sequence you want. So what sequence I want is that in which like it should go first LED turns on, then second LED turns on, then third turns on, then it keeps on repeating, in which first LED turns on and then second LED, but first is off, and then third turned on and second is off, and it then do opposite, like third on, second off, and then first. Okay, this is I just randomly wrote a sequence that generate me this sequence. Okay, just wait. Okay, it is doing the work here. LED1 on, PE1 on, off. Okay, reverse pattern. Okay, LED1 will be on, LED2 will be on, and LED3 will be on. And the pin is 0. Set means it is on high, and reset means it's off. So set means 1, reset means 0. So he turned on the first LED at PB0 and it remains on for 500 milliseconds. Then he turned it off and turned on the second LED, that is at PE1, and then it is on for half a second. Then he turned on the third LED, and then he did similarly for the PB14 pin, that is the third LED. It's on for half a second, and this is a command to give delay, hold delay, and then he turned off the third LED like this. Then he is doing the same in the reverse. Now the third LED is on, and after half a second it's off. So third LED will be on for 1 second. Here, see, it's 1 second, and then after that the second LED, and then the first. So it will be like LED left, and then it goes back to the first, and then keeps on doing it. So we build this code and see what happens. So first of all, you need to connect your microcontroller. So I just connect the micro USB cable to my computer. Then you click here, this, click over here on the run. Code. You just need these two commands. You can just get the commands and make any sequence out of it. Okay, wait. Okay, build, 0 error, 0 warning. Now you can upload this. Now to upload this, again click on the same button. Okay, here you go. Click OK, it automatically comes. Now again click on the same button, build, click on OK. Okay, it is doing something, waiting for the debugger. Okay, it is burning the code. Okay, shutting down, the code is burned successfully. So let's get to our hardware to see what is happening here. So guys, this is the hardware. As you can see, our code is working as per our expectations. See, now take a look here. If you can see it closely, the LD1 turns on, then the LD2, then LD3, and then it keeps on repeating itself. See, so we just made this sequence. You can make any sequence out of it, whatever you prefer. So guys, this is it. That's how you blink LEDs. Like, you can blink as many LEDs. You can also connect LEDs to other pins as well, as much pins you have here, GPIO pins. So guys, this is it for this lecture. If you guys have any questions, please do ask. We'll see you in the next lecture. Goodbye until then.